The smartphone industry continues to evolve rapidly, and Oppo is once again ready to shake the flagship segment with its latest innovation, the Oppo Find X9 Pro. As the successor to the highly acclaimed Find X8 Pro, this new flagship brings a perfect mix of luxury design, cutting-edge technology, and outstanding performance. Packed with the most powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, a world-class Hasselblad-powered camera system, and lightning-fast charging, the Find X9 Pro is crafted for users who demand nothing but the best. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or mobile photographer, this smartphone aims to deliver an all-in-one premium experience. Let's dive deep into the full details of Oppo's ultimate 2025 flagship. The Find X9 Pro takes luxury design to a whole new level. Oppo has refined its design philosophy with a slim, elegant body that feels premium in hand. The curved glass back with a matte finish not only looks stunning, but also prevents fingerprints. The camera module blends seamlessly into the back panel, giving it a futuristic and clean look. Available in elegant color options such as ceramic white, midnight black, and emerald green, the phone also carries IP68 water and dust resistance, ensuring durability along with style. At the heart of the Oppo Find X9 Pro lies the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, Qualcomm's most powerful processor yet. Built for heavy multitasking, high-end gaming, and smooth performance, this chipset is paired with up to 16 GB LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB UFS 4.0 storage. Gaming enthusiasts will enjoy the dedicated cooling system that ensures sustained peak performance during long gaming sessions. With 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 7 support, and Oppo's software optimizations, the Find X9 Pro guarantees lightning-fast speeds and a lag-free user experience. The camera setup is where the Find X9 Pro truly shines. Co-engineered with Hasselblad, it features a 50MP main sensor with OIS, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 64MP periscope telephoto lens with up to 100x digital zoom. The cameras are designed to capture professional-level photography with stunning detail, vibrant colors, and incredible night shots. The Hasselblad natural color calibration ensures lifelike tones, while AI enhancements take portrait and landscape photography to the next level. On the front, a 32MP selfie camera provides sharp and vibrant selfies, along with 4K video recording for vloggers and content creators. Powering the Find X9 Pro is a 5,100 mAh battery, designed to last an entire day of heavy usage. But what truly sets it apart is its fast charging technology. With 100W wired charging and 50W wireless charging, the phone can go from 0 to 100% in under 30 minutes, making low battery anxiety a thing of the past. Reverse wireless charging is also supported, allowing you to charge your earbuds or even another smartphone on the go. Oppo has packed the Find X9 Pro with extra flagship-level features, including an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, advanced cooling system, and the latest Android 15 with ColorOS 15 on top for a smooth, customizable experience. The device also comes with long-term software support, making it future-proof for years to come. In conclusion, the Oppo Find X9 Pro is not just a smartphone, it's a statement of elegance, power, and innovation. From its stunning AMOLED display and luxurious design to its Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 power and Hasselblad camera system, it checks all the boxes for a true 2025 flagship. Add in the ultra-fast charging, robust battery, and premium features, and it becomes clear that Oppo has once again set a new benchmark in the smartphone market. If you are planning to upgrade this year, the Oppo Find X9 Pro deserves to be at the top of your list. So, that was everything about the all-new Oppo Find X9 Pro, a true flagship designed for those who want cutting-edge technology and premium design in one package. What do you think about this device? Would you consider upgrading to the Find X9 Pro, or do you think another 2025 flagship suits you better? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel Tech Explorer for more in-depth reviews, unboxings, and the latest updates on upcoming smartphones. And hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our future uploads.